Hi guys! I'll be sharing our amazing anniversary experience dito sa Quest Plus Hotel, and this is located at Philinbest City, Alabang, Muntinlupa. This is a beautiful 5-star hotel na first low as 3,700 pesos per night lang siya. So pagdating namin, super bilis lang na express check-in, and grabe guys, ang ganda ng lobby, ang laki, very elegant, legit luxury hotel feels talaga. Ito na, pagpasok namin sa room, wow, ang linis at ang cozy. Meron siyang 2 beds, tapos may mga free sleepers, then meron pa silang mga hair dryer, at syempre meron pa silang pa-surprise anniversary cake, super thoughtful talaga. Tapos yung comfort room nila, complete talaga. Meron silang mga toothbrush, toothpaste, vanity kit, lotion, shampoo, at kung ano-ano pang toiletries. So kahit wala ka ng dalang gamit, no problem. May free drinking station din sila, so anytime pwede kang kumuha ng tubig dito, and super convenient. Tapos plus pa dito is yung parking area nila, sobrang laki kaya no worries sa mga merong sasakyan. Of course, hindi rin mawawala yung swimming pool, ang ganda, very relaxed. Ang pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga dito is yung restaurant nila, as in ang sarap ng food, tapos perfect for a romantic dinner night. Thank you so much to Sir Mark and Iris for the warm service. I highly recommend Quest Plus Hotel dito sa Philinbest City, Alabang. So don't forget to like, share, and follow for more travel and staycation vlogs. Bye guys!